Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're going to dive into the rest of these blast through quests on Layer 3. We have 6 more that we have on the list. Well, maybe I might do all 6 of these. Just depends. I might leave 1 or 2 to complete with these, but we have 14 quests total, 6 of them completed already. And you do get some special cubes, blast through bonus 1 and 2, by completing at least 10 quests. So before we actually get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like these cubes. These cubes go for an airdrop that Layer 3 has done and will continue to do. The season 1 ended last month and season 2 is ongoing. So get in here and collect your cubes. If you do need help navigating this, please jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. Get in there, ask your questions. We have a lot of amazing people in there that's very helpful and considerate, and want to see everyone grow in this space together. So thank you to everyone in the Discord. I appreciate you all so much. And with that, let's dive in to the blast through part 2. So we go to Ambient Finance. So we'll make any swap on Ambient Finance. Make sure you have your right wallet selected. Looks like my PC is going extra slow today. So we're going to connect to our Wasabi wallet. Make sure I haven't done anything here yet. So that's okay. We'll make a little tiny swap. Doesn't say how much, but I'll just swap $2 worth. Some require a minimum amount, but in this case, it doesn't. Now we'll confirm and submit the swap. And we'll go ahead and confirm that. I'm going to go ahead and open up the rest of these too. So Ambient Finance, done. Bada boom. Next up, well, now we can mint our tokens while those, or mint our cube. So continue. Confirm. Now we go to lend on Juice Finance. We're going to lend on the Juice. So there we go. And it looks like USDB is going to be used on a lot of this, so make sure you have a sufficient amount. I think $1 would be fine. I got the juice. I got the juice. So then we'll supply. And we'll get a liquidity pool token. Boom. Once that's done, that's complete. And then we'll move on to the next one. So Hyperlock Finance. Earn yield and points by adding liquidity via Hyperlock on Blast. So another liquidity. So deposits will be locked until the maturity of your position, so keep that in mind. You cannot withdraw immediately, like here. But I think you can withdraw right away. 1402, beautiful. That's what I like to see, that number combination. So withdraw. Some of them do take a while. Whoa, this is a weird. Okay. This is probably the ugliest freaking thing I've ever seen. So I'm just going to put in $1, approve. And I don't, where is, okay, the maturity, 16 days. I'm going to put $1 in here for 16 days and it will, I'll be able to unlock it then. So you can use as little as $1 or 50 cents. And then we'll go back here and mint this cube while that transaction's waiting. So I keep these little windows up. All right. So now we can verify. Close out of there, close out of there. Boom, boom. Mint that cube. All right, next, Orbit Protocol. So we will lend on Orbit. And wow, all of these. Wasabi Protocol. And Pac Finance. Wow. This is all DeFi today. So Wasabi Protocol, since we're here, you don't have to do it, but we'll go ahead and do that anyways. And then Pac Finance will do all this because all this is pretty much the same. We're going to lend on Space Orbit, on Orbit. And lend on here. So Space Orbit. Cool, cool. We'll go down here and we'll supply some USDB. I'm going to put in $1. Approve. And we'll make sure to click this little button right here that is supply as collateral. Now, some tasks require you to set it as collateral, but I don't know if this will. So approve, now we supply. So 2 separate transactions. One gives the approval to use your wallet, and the second is to allow it access to the token in your wallet that is USDB. So there you go. And yeah, we might need to enable collateral. Nope, I guess not. So there you go. Pretty easy. Now, you can click on that. Or actually go to your dashboard. And withdraw. Easy peasy. You don't have to keep it in there. You can take it out and use it somewhere else. So there you go. That easy. That easy. Because a lot of people ask, how much do I need to do layer 3 quests? It really just depends. You can get away with $50 doing a lot of quests. Because a lot of them are just, you swap tokens and you can swap them back. Provide liquidity and you can pull it back out. So it's not like it's you have to keep it all in there and you're spending that. So let's go to Pac Finance, because this is the same thing that we just did on Orbit, and I don't want to learn more. Okay, so now we're connected. So I'm going to supply, let's see, lend any amount. So we'll go to supply USDB. We'll just do another $1. Do not click the max button. I didn't click it, it clicked it for me, but, or I don't know if it clicked it, but either way, we'll revoke the transactions after the fact. So we'll go to revoke.cash, and now that one is complete. Now we can go to Wasabi. So we can trade by opening a long or short position. Go ahead and connect that wallet. Oh, maybe it's maybe it doesn't like Rabby. Okay, so it's not going to connect. So you need to use MetaMask. But either way, come here and you can make a trade with a little bit of ETH. So you can also swap tokens here. So long or short, you can open it and close it. That's all you need to do to get this verified, but I'm going to skip this for now. And I don't know why it says connect wallet, but it is acting silly. So Pac Finance, go ahead and supply. No, I want to, my positions, withdraw. Maximum. There you go. Make sure you withdraw after each quest because you want to use that money somewhere else. We'll skip again. Mint our cube. And this is great. This is great. Yes, yes. And if you're having technical issues, just remember to refresh the page. And now this is our confirmation to withdraw our funds. So bada boom, bada bing. And now we can mint our last cube. So we were able to get all these done. Pretty good. Pretty good. Now don't forget, come here to revoke.cash. And this is very important, very important. Go to the blast. And you will see you have these approvals right here, which we will switch and revoke each one of these. They do cost a little bit of gas, but I think it's important because when you revoke these, it will remove access for that contract. So go ahead and do that. Also, these signatures right here, you want to cancel these signatures like so. That way, anything that is still connected to your wallet has been removed. There we go, canceled. Sign and confirm, and that will be good to go. So do this. It is important that you keep your wallet safe and secure, because you'd rather be safe than sorry and lose all your funds. But as long as you're keeping your wallet separate from mainnet and testnet activities, you still want to come in here and revoke your approvals. So do this. And yeah, if you have any more questions, comments, or need any help with these quests or campaigns, please let me know. And yeah, we do have referral links for each one of these in the description. So I appreciate you all so much. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day and happy questing, homies. Peace.